Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 2 of the angles formed inside the circle by the two intersecting chords. Okay, in our given, we have the two intersecting chords, segment AE and segment BD. Now, given tayo ng angle ECD which measures 80 degrees and arc AB which is 40 degrees. Now, we have to find for the measure of X or our arc DE. Now, since we know that the formula is angle is equal to 1/2 the sum of arc 1 and arc 2, we are going to use this one to find for the missing arc. Okay, now let's write the working equation. Have here angle, the measure of angle ECD is equal to, copy yung 1/2 natin. Okay? And then we have to have arc 1 plus arc 2. Kahit magkabaliktad yung mga arcs, okay lang ha, kasi addition naman siya. So, let's have arc 1 as the measure of arc DE. Pwede naman din ito ha. Plus the measure of arc AB. Okay? And then we are going to substitute the value. What is the measure of arc ECD? ECD is 80 degrees. So, you have 80 is equal to 1/2, okay, times, ano yung measure ng ating arc DE? Nawawala siya, diba? So, we have X, okay, plus the measure of arc AB, which is 40 degrees. Okay? So, what are we going to do next? Etong 1 times X and 1 times 40 is still X plus 40. I-simplify lang natin to ha. Ito ay X plus 40. Kasi anything multiplied by 1 is still itself. So, siya pa rin yun. Okay? Divided by 2 is equal to 80. Okay. Now, to solve for x, eto, alam natin na ang whole number, ang denominator na ay 1, diba? So, we have to cross multiply. Now, 80 times 2 is how many? 160. Equal siya kay 1 times x plus 40 is still x plus 40. Okay. Now, ang kailangan natin ma-solve si x lang, di ba? So, kailangan matanggal si 40 dito, ma-isolate natin si x. Saan natin ililipat si 40? Kasama siya dapat ni 160. Pero dahil positive si 40, pag transpose natin, magiging negative na siya. So, magiging 160 minus 40 is equal to x. O, what is now 160 minus 40? We have 100, how many? 120. Okay, so the value of our x is 120. Sorry, dito na lang natin ilagay. 120 degrees. Okay, so the value of our x is 120. Let's check nga. Sige, 120, diba? To get yung angle, i-add natin yung dalawang arc, kasi i-divide natin by 2. 120 plus 40. That's 120 plus 40. That is 160. Divided by 2, 80. So, check yung answer natin. That's 120 degrees. Ngayon, kung naintindihan ng video na to, please try to solve for this. Okay? So, given tayo ng arc AB, which is 80 degrees, and angle DCE, which is 55 degrees, you try to solve for the value or the measure of arc DE, which is our X. Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Kaya i-share na ang video na to. Bye!